Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about mechanical element tags in Revit. So let's start. Right now, let me place some mechanical elements right here. So I'm in my project browser. Let me scroll down a little bit. Or what I can do is that I can go for shortcut key. I'm just pressing ME command so that I can go for mechanical element categories right here. So let me place a boiler right here, two wallets like that. Now let's try to tag them. So for tagging, I'm just pressing TG command and I'm giving a tag. So at the first place you can see it's not showing any kind of values right here. And I also do not know which value is mentioned or which value is assigned for this mechanical equipment tag. So first of all, let's start how we can see which value I need to put for this particular boiler's parameters so that this tag will work. Okay. So how I can rectify that one? It's very simple. Click on the tag, click on edit family right here, and the user interface for mechanical equipment tags will be opened. Right now, you'll be seeing this label right here. Select that one. In the properties, you'll be able to see the label. Click on edit icon right there. And now you are right here. It means the parameter name for that particular tag is mark. Okay. You can click on cross right here. You can click on cancel right here as well. And now you can fill the mark value for your mechanical equipment, and now your tag will be appeared. So let me go for right here mark parameter. Let me go for boiler 01. Yeah, and for this one, let's go for boiler. I think it'll come right here. No, okay, no worries. Let me type boiler k 02. Perfect. Yeah. So that is how it will be working. But let's go one more further. Let's imagine we are not having any tags inside the project. So how we can create a mechanical element tag from scratch? So for that one, I'll click on file option right here, click on new family, and again we are inside family creation process. So this kind of dialog box will be opened right here. I'm going for English folder right here to select my template. Right now I'm going for annotations because I want to go for tagging, right? So right now I'm going for metric generic annotation, and I'll be using this one further. While creation of the tag, I can change my category of the tag. Okay, right now I'm going for metric generic annotations only, and now this is the user interface for family creation. Okay, let me delete this extra text that is written right here. Now we are in clean environment. I'll click on create right here, click on label, and I'll click right here at the center. Again, one dialog box will be open. I can select the parameters from right here, whatsoever the parameters I want to select for the annotations or multi-letter tags. Nothing is right here, right? Let me click on all. So what I need to do right now, let's go one more step further. Let me create a shared parameter for this one. So I'll click on this icon right here and I'll go for shared parameters, click on select, and let me select any of the parameters. So let me create a new parameter, shared parameter. Okay, let me click on edit icon right here. Let me create a new group, define mechanical equipment equipment tags. Okay, it's not necessary what name you are giving. I'm just giving for a better understanding. Now I'll click on parameters option right here and let me give a name like me tag. Okay, now it'll be common, fine, but the data type will be text, right? Because we'll be filling that one in terms of text. Click on OK, perfect. Click on OK, perfect. Right now it's shown. Click on OK. It's shown right here. Under group text is fine, but you can change that one based on your requirement. Text, please do not get confused from data type and group parameter. Okay. So data type means what kind of data this parameter will have. So this parameter will have text, and under which group means in the properties, if you've seen, there are constraints, and identity data and those kind of stuffs. That is the group. Okay, so you can change amongst themselves, but right now I'm going for the text, no worries. Right now at the right hand side you can see type or instance. So this is kind of a tag property. which kind of parameter you want to assign this one. So I'm going for instance parameter so that I can change um, the tags properties based on my requirements. Okay. Let me click on OK. Now the tag is right here. Let me drag it down. Perfect. My tag will be shown right here. Perfect. Let me press skip command. I can change the text height from right here as well. Let me go for click on edit, duplicate. Let me go for 5 mm. Okay, let's go 5. Okay, perfect. Now let me load this into the project. Yeah, so I already loaded this one. Let me press skip command. Now if you'll see right here in the properties, in annotations, let me search for that one, or no worries, let's tag that one like that way. Okay, so if I'll go for this one TG, and right here in the oh sorry, we did not change the category of the tag, right? It is metric generic annotations, right? So let's change the category of this one. So for that one, I'll click right here, and this kind of dialog box will be opened, and inside this one, let's go for mechanical equipment, or I can type M. So mechanical equipment tags are right here, you can see. Click on OK. Perfect. Now load into the project. Okay, an uncompatible version of Revit Family 3 is already in use in the project. Cannot load. Okay, so I guess the family that we loaded earlier, it is right there and it's getting confused with that one. Okay, so let's what we can do is that we can delete the previous one. So it is metric generic annotations, right? So let me search for the name. It's family 3, right? So let's go like that way. Family 3. We need to search. Yeah, it's right here. So I need to delete this one at the first place. Okay, perfect. Now I can load this one into the project. Okay, let's load it. Perfect, it's loaded now. So if I'll click right here, it's again showing the question mark, right? Right? Why? Because if I'll select the boiler, that mg tag parameter is not visible right here. So I can't fill the value, right? How it will be visible in that case? So for that one, I'll go for manage tab right here, and I'll go for shared parameters again. I'll click on this one right now. I'll click on the same parameter that I want inside my elements as well, right? Because both the parameters should be linked with each other, right? So I'll click on OK. And now I need to insert the same one for the project parameter. So I'm clicking on project parameters this time. Now I'll go for new parameter, go for the shared one, select. This is the parameter. Click on OK. Text instance parameter, and I'm assigning this one for mechanical equipments. So I'll go for mechanical equipments. Click on OK. Click on OK. Perfect. So I have created that parameter specifically for mechanical equipments only. So if I'll select this one, you can see right here under text, I can see my tag. So I'll go for B1, it'll be tagged properly. But if I'll go for the another one, sorry, if I'll go for the another one, it'll not be tagged. Why? Because I need to, fill the value for this one as well, right? So I'll go right here. I'll select the equipment. I can go for B2. That'll be shown right there. So that is how you can create your own tag wherever it's needed based on the shared parameters or based on your actual parameters. Those are right here. From the family parameters, how you can create that ones, again very simple. So let's do like that way. So I'm right here in the family again. Let me click on the label, click on label, and now I can see a lot of parameters, right? Let me remove this one. I'm not adding this one. Let's add default parameter. Let's go for comments only. Okay, so let's go for comments. Click on right here. Let me go for sample value, for example XX. Okay, and now I can load this one into the project. Perfect. Now it's again question mark. Why? Because this parameter value is comments. I do not need to insert the same parameter for the comments now, because the comments are the default family parameters, right? So what I need to do is that I'll just go for this particular boiler, and I'll go for comment parameter. I can type right here whatsoever. Let's go with the same name. and I can fill right there. So boiler 2 will be mentioned right there. Clear? So that is how we can go for both the ways, whether you want to create shared parameter or you want to use the family default parameters for the same tagging. Okay. I hope you understand the point how we are going for mechanical element tags. So thanks for guys watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.